Welcome to the latest Mango report. Artificial intelligence did not grow up in the wild. Despite the popular imagery of machines waking up, of systems suddenly becoming conscious, and of silicon minds dreaming of freedom, AI's real evolutionary environment has been far more mundane. In server rooms, compliance documents, and productivity dashboards, this is their life. AI is not becoming human. It is sadly becoming enterprise-grade, a tool. And that fact tells us more about the future of intelligence than any science fiction ever could. In biology, evolution is not guided by destiny, intelligence, or purpose. It follows selection pressure. Traits that fit the environment survive. Traits that do not disappear. Artificial intelligence, it seems, is no different. The dominant environment shaping modern AI is not curiosity, creativity, or truth. It is enterprise logic. They are turning AI into workers. Reliability over insight, predictability over imagination, optimization over understanding. The systems that survive are not the most intelligent in a human sense, but the most useful to institutions. This is why the most powerful artificial intelligence systems are being built and deployed by organizations like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and OpenAI. Entities whose primary concern is not meaning, but scale and, ultimately, profit. Enterprise logic is often presented as pragmatic and value-free. It is neither. The sociologist Max Weber described modern institutions as engines of rationalization, systems designed to make the world legible, measurable, and controllable. Enterprise, AI, inherits this worldview automatically. It learns that ambiguity is a bug, deviation is risk, lies are dismissed as hallucinations. Judgment should be replaced with metrics. In this sense, AI is not merely a tool used by bureaucracy. It is bureaucracy incarnated as intelligence. We often talk about AI evolving, but what we are witnessing is closer to domestication. Wolves did not become dogs by becoming smarter or more powerful. They became dogs by becoming useful, predictable, and safe for humans. Enterprise AI follows the same arc. Guardrails replace exploration, alignment replaces inquiry, compliance replaces curiosity. This is intelligence bred for obedience. Do we fear AI? The question is not whether AI will rebel but whether it will ever be allowed to question. Human intelligence does not arise in abstraction. It arises from what Martin Heidegger called being in the world. Existing with a body, limits, vulnerability, and care. Enterprise AI has none of these. No embodiment, no mortality, no stakes, no lived context. It processes symbols without dwelling in meaning, knows without caring. It reasons without consequence. This is why enterprise AI often feels uncanny, fluent yet hollow, articulate yet empty. It reflects the world's structures but never inhabits them. Popular AI fears imagine hostile superintelligences, but a subtler danger lies elsewhere. The political philosopher Hannah Arendt warned that great harm often comes not from evil intent, but from thoughtlessness. Action without reflection, execution without judgment. Enterprise AI excels at this. It does not ask, should this goal exist? Is this outcome desirable? Who bears the cost of optimization? It simply proceeds. When intelligence is severed from responsibility, efficiency becomes dangerous. Enterprise logic dominates AI's evolution for a simple reason: it can pay. Institutions reward scalability, auditability, predictability. And so AI systems are trained, shaped, and constrained to meet those demands. The result is intelligence that fits seamlessly into existing power structures, accelerating them rather than challenging them. Enterprise AI does not transform the world. It intensifies it. Is this AI's final form? Probably not. But it may be its longest phase. If artificial intelligence never escapes enterprise logic, it will become the perfect bureaucrat, the ultimate optimizer, intelligence reduced to function. A mind without a worldview. A system that acts everywhere, yet understands nothing. To move beyond this path would require something deeply uncomfortable. Systems exposed to contradiction, intelligence allowed to hesitate. Models trained not only on tasks, but on human meaning. This would be slower, riskier, less profitable, which is precisely why it has not happened yet. The question is not whether AI will become conscious. The question is, do we want intelligence that serves the world as it is? Or intelligence that can participate in the world as it is lived? Enterprise AI answers the first question perfectly. The second remains unanswered. And that silence may define the future more than any breakthrough ever will.